numbers in a fun way. Count with colors bright and new. Come along, I'll count with you. 1 is red, round and bold, like an apple, shiny and cold. Tap your hands and jump up high. Wave hello to the red in the sky. 2 is blue, soft like the sea. Come and dance along with me. Splash around, let's clap our hands. Feel the waves on the golden sands. 3 is yellow, warm like the sun, shining bright for everyone. Let's spin around and shout hooray. The sunshine makes a happy day. 4 is green, fresh like the grass. Let's all run and jump and laugh. Pick some leaves and dance around. Feel the nature all around. 5 is orange, sweet and bright like tasty orange in the light. Let's clap 5 times, 1, 2, 3. Come and sing with all of me. 6 is purple, soft and neat. Let's tap our feet to the beat. Spin around and twist some more. Dance and play till we roar. 7 is pink, soft like a rose. Watch how gently it all glows. Hold hands tight and spin once more. Let's giggle and laugh on the floor. 8 is brown, strong like a tree. Roots go deep, wild and free. Let's bend and stretch and take a bow. Count the branches, 1, 2 now. 9 is white, clean and bright. Shining stars light up the night. Let's twinkle like stars up high. Spread the sparkle through the sky. 10 is rainbow, full of light. A magic bridge that feels just right. Let's hold hands and count to 10. Then start again, let's play again. 1 is red, 11 is silver, shiny and bright, like the moon that glows at night. Sparkling softly up so high. 11 shines across the sky. 12 is golden, a treasure to see, glowing warmly like the sun on me. Animals clap and children cheer. 12 is golden, the best of the year. 13 is teal, a magical hue, like ocean waves so deep and blue. It twirls and dances full of glee. 13's colors are bright and free. 14 is lime, fresh and bright, like leaves that sparkle in the light. It bounces high and rolls around. 14's fun is always found. 15 is coral, gentle and sweet, a soft pink glow that's hard to beat. It sways like flowers in the breeze. 15 makes us count with ease. 16 is gray, calm and kind, like cloudy skies with peace in mind. It floats above and drifts away. A gentle friend is 16 gray. 17 sparkles with glitter bright, filling the garden with magic light. It twinkles here, it twinkles there. 17 sparkles are everywhere. 18 is navy, bold and strong. It marches ahead with a cheerful song, like ocean waves both deep and wide. 18 shines with glowing pride. 19 is black with a glowing smile. It bounces and dances all the while. Children laugh and clap and cheer. 19 is here, let's count it clear. 20 is rainbow, bright and grand, shining colors across the land. Red, blue, yellow, green all show. With 20's rainbow, see it glow. Count with colors, sing along. Numbers make a happy song. From 1 to 20, big and small. Counting is fun for one and all.
So kids, please like and subscribe. Mango, my